Hey, what's up, Built on a Budget family? This is your boy, Built on a Budget. Hey, coming to you again with another video. Uh, Listen, I like to first say that I noticed on the weekend, I picked up some more subscribers. Hey, man, y'all guys, the family is putting Built on the Budget name out there, and people are responding. We on our way to 300. Hopefully by the end of the week, that's where we'll be at, 300. I first got to say to all of my new subscribers, hey, thank you for joining my channel. I hope that I can produce the type of content that would allow you to be entertained, informed, and just have a nice time. I appreciate you inviting me into your home on every time I drop a video so that, you can be on top of what's happening at Built on the Budget. I like for you to bam, smash, one more time, smash that notification bell because these videos are coming and they're coming even faster than that. So to the new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs up. Okay, I appreciate that. Share me with your friends. Let them know it's an average guy doing average things on a budget. And worst case scenario, he's funny. To my other subscribers, to my family members that been with me for a long time, thank you for continued support. Thank you, man, for just all that y'all do, your comments and everything is always, I appreciate it so very much. So without further ado, today we're going to be talking about wifey's project. She got some boxes in today, and if you hadn't been tuned in, wifey, she got her own project. It's a Chevy Tahoe. We done some things with it. You have to look back at the other videos, but I'm just gonna keep moving forward and showing you what we got. She got in some boxes, and I'm just gonna show you the boxes, and then I'll tell you a little bit about them a little bit after in a minute. So here's what we got here. All of y'all remember the elephant that was in the room, that little spot of rust that was there. This is just the prep of fixing that. Little bit of cancer that was there, and I cut it out, found a piece that was the same color as the truck, kind of stitched it in, but even with that, I still got some more body work, but that sure do look better than that rusty hole that was there. Y'all seen those, them snowflakes, man. When them snowflakes came to the compound, the temperature dropped about 15 degrees out there. So this is wifey's project here, just to give you a quick overview of it. And it's a good running vehicle. Actually, it's pretty clean for the year model. It got some scratches on it, but who cares, man? It's paid for, and that's what we like. And so what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna pause this, and then I'm gonna turn you right back on. And it's just like that. This is her boxes for the day. What I want to do is, I'm trying to encourage wifey to be more involved with the YouTube family. This is her project, so I only think it's fair for her to kind of show the family what she got. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let her unbox this stuff when she get off this afternoon. I know she's gonna be excited. I'm gonna let her unbox it and tell y'all a little bit about what she got, where she headed. Y'all got to understand now, wifey can talk, but she's new to this YouTube thing, so she's gonna be a little bit nervous. She might say a few things that we'll laugh at later on, but I just want to introduce her to the YouTube platform because y'all gonna see more of her. She's my backbone to everything that I do. And I love her for that. And she wanted this project. I wanted her to have it, but I also want her to be a part of it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna let her unbox this stuff when she get home. So there's another video coming, and it will be done tonight. I'm gonna show you what's in the boxes, and I'm gonna show you them installed on the vehicle. So you got to stay tuned and watch the next video. So this is part 1. Part 2 is coming. I like to say again, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and drop a comment. If you think wifey need to be more involved in her project, doing more on the camera, drop down in the comment. She can use that encouragement. I think it'll do her good. It'll help her, get confident to where she can pick up the camera and she can talk to the family on her own. So until this next video drop, which will be tonight, I want you to like, share, subscribe, hit your notification bell, smash that notification bell, and then leave a comment below and tell me what you think. Tell me how I'm doing. And once again, I want to say, hey, thank you for all of the family that support me and my wife on this Built on the Budget channel. We headed for 300. We looking for 300 by the end of the week. I think we can do it. What y'all think? Can we do it? I believe we can. So until that video drop tonight, say it.